Howdy, I'm Mason, and this is my basement where I make stuff or fix things. Okay, what's the plan? The plan is to make a small inbox, outbox filing cabinet for my wife. So the plan is to take 4 posts. Will they stand? Yes, they will. Something like that, using these boards as the filler so that a file folder or like an 8x11 piece of paper can go in here. And I need to make little rabbits for dados. Rabbits, dado. Yeah, dados for these boards to fit. I'm gonna cut these in half and then I think I'll double stack them, but give or take, something like that. Another one here. One more question. Keep the mustache or shave the mustache?
Let me know in the comments.
Yes, I used a job site saw, and I have also, since recording this, made a crosscut sled, so I don't want to hear about it. Here's me trying to straighten up an edge that wasn't perfect because of the job site saw. The grain was backwards. Let's fix that here. Much better. I went ahead and cut some pieces smaller so I could glue up these boards together instead of doing an edge glue. Although an edge glue probably would have been sufficient. I also forgot to record the cutting of the dados that I talked about earlier. I also saved you the pain of watching a lot of sanding. Here's my lovely glue up, and I got teak oil all over my hands and then touched the oak. So yeah, it looks lovely, but a little bit messy. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can do hard things.